All right, well, it looks like it's 2 o'clock, so we will go ahead and get started with our Archive Signature Series break. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spot. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. So for this particular break, Eric6565 bought the first spot, and Jail7826 purchased the last spots in the break. Once, twice, 3, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Jail7826 in the top spot, and 4GM in the last spot. All right, go ahead and cut and paste this over to the right and sort by everyone's eBay IDs. Hope you all can hear me okay. Oh shoot, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. All right, now we're cooking with some gas. All right, Eric6565 has Francisco Mejia. Jail7826 has Aaron Judge, Aaron Nola, Adrian Beltre, Alex Bregman, Alex Wood, Blake Snell, Brian Dozier, Bryce Harper, Byron Buxton, Carlos Carrasco, Carlos Santana, Charlie Blackman, Christian Arroyo, Craig Kimbrell, Dansby Swanson, Didi Gregorius, Dustin Pedroia, Eric Thames, George Springer, Harrison Bader, Jock Pedersen, Jordan Montgomery, Jose Altuve, Jose Barrios, Jose Ramirez, Josh Donaldson, Luis Severino, Manny Machado, Marwin Gonzalez, Mike Trout, Paul Goldschmidt, Raciel Iglesias, Ronald Torres, Sean Doolittle, Starling Marte, Steven Matz, and Trevor Story. James Alt Zero has Javier Baez. JRat77 has Chris Davis, Chris Bryant, Kyle Seager, Rafael Devers, Stephen Piscotty, and Trey Mancini. Lardman7777 has Mitch Haniger. Left JUS has Edwin Encarnacion. SCGR4948 has Adam Duvall, Francisco Lindor, John Gray, Josh Harrison, Justin Bohr, Matt Olson, Max Kepler, Ramiel Tapia, and Tyler Glasnow. Thor GM has Ahmed Rosario, Andrew McCutcheon, Bradley Zimmer, Chris Sale, Clint Frazier, David Price, Ian Happ, Jake Lamb, Yadier Alonso, Yuli Gurriel. Will Lave 37 has Tim Beckham. All right. Now that we've went through our list, let's open our box and see what we have. Good luck, everybody. And get this box open. Dansby Swanson. Serial numbered 53 out of 60. Dansby Dansby Swanson on 2017 Bowman. Nice blue signature there. So let's see who's won. Dansby Swanson goes to jail 7826. Congrats on that. Let's take another peek at her card. Nice card there. There's the serial number, 53 out of 60. Sharp blue signature. All right. Well, that concludes our 2018 Topps Archive Signature Series Active Player Random Player One Box Break number 4. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate y'all supporting our breaks. And hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend. And we'll be back here in about 9 minutes with our Luminaries break. Thanks again, you all.